Web authoring is a process to make the website from planning to publishing and testing through designing and writing appropriate HTML code. To design a presentable website, we have to identify the background of the intended audience. For example, their occupation, age, gender, language will be used, level of education, interests, browsing habits, and geographic locations of the audience. Key objectives can help the visitor to navigate and less easy to get lost. The most top level of a web page is called parent page. It always has its file named as index.html. A child page is a web page that links to the parent page. Different website has different information structure. For example, linear structure is good to present stepwise demonstration, like PowerPoint. Hierarchical structure is good to categorize topics. Cyclic structure is good to present steps with looping. Web structure is good to present information with interrelation. Information structure can be mixed, like figure 20.5. It combines hierarchical and cyclic structures. In figure 20.6, it shows another mixed structure with cyclic and linear structure. Content and layout design is important for a web page that can make the user more easier to navigate a web page. Here's a common layout of a commercial web page with frames. It consists of 3 frames in one parent page. Different frames provide different functions like header, navigation buttons, and content. User may click on buttons to display different content in the content frame. Web page can provide lots of multimedia information instead of plain text. However, overused multimedia elements may result in slow browsing experience. Don't forget to obtain permissions from owner or creator when you are going to use others' multimedia elements. There are many third-party web authoring software that can generate HTML code by drag and drop necessary elements to the software. For example, Adobe Dreamweaver or even Microsoft Word, etc. A web page's readability can be enhanced by well organizing or well categorized. Lengthy pages should be avoided. All pages in a web page should be kept in uniform design, for example, color scheme of the text and background, font size and font face, etc. Create suitable hyperlinks to jump from one content to another and even back to parent page. Don't overuse multimedia at the parent page because it costs too much time to open the web page and discouraging visitors' browsing experience. Information are kept change every day, so content of a web page should be updated. To publish a web page, we may use a protocol called File Transfer Protocol or called FTP to transfer your files to a web server. FTP client is a software to upload files to FTP server or web server. You may watch a demonstration in information box of this video. After you upload a web page to web server, you need to test your website to see whether there's any broken links or not. There are several problems that may cause broken links. For example, file paste in the wrong folder without changing URL of the link. File name has been changed in web server. File may be being deleted in the web server. Common problem is forget to put a hyperlink in a page to return to the parent page or previous page. All outdated materials must be deleted or updated to avoid confusion of information. Don't provide links with a large file size that may take the user few seconds to download and open the file. Avoid to use absolute path or local path of a self-computer because it may become a broken link after upload to the web server. You have done this exercise in previous video. I have provided the link of the video in the information box. You may also watch the video about the basic operation of a web authoring software called Adobe Dreamweaver in the information box. To conclude, there's 8 steps before the new web page to be launched. You may take a look of our textbook page 379 for more detail.